Gordon was resting in a siding. Sometimes, he thought, it's really tiring to be such a large and splendid piece of shit! One does have to keep up appearances, so... Beep, 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 beep. Hello. Penis! What the shit? Spluttered Gordon. That Henry is too big for his penis! He's speaking to me like that. Me, who has never had an accident. Aren't jammed whistles and safety valves accidents? Asked Percy innocently. No! No, indeed. High spirits might happen to any engine. But to come off the rails like Henry did, well, I ask you, is it right? Is it gay? Then it was Henry's turn to take the express. Gordon watched him getting ready. Be careful, Henry. You're not pulling the flying... Henry went off in a huff, and Gordon yawned and went to sleep. But not for long. Wake up, Gordon, said his driver. A special train's coming, and where to pull it? Is it coaches or trucks? Trucks, said his driver. Fuck you! Didn't care what he did. He waited till the table was halfway round. I'll show them, he hissed.
Didn't care what he did. He waited till the table was halfway round. I'll show them, he hissed.
This is Sparta!
Shit! Get me out! Get me out! Not a hope, said his driver and fireman. You're stuck, you piece of shit! Don't you understand that? They telephoned the Fat Controller. So Gordon didn't want to take the special train and ran into a ditch.
You stupid bastard!
On the other side of the ditch, some little boys were chattering. Coo, doesn't he look silly? They'll never get him out. They began to sing. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, all on a Monday morning.
Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, all on a Monday morning. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, all on a Monday morning. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch, fell in a ditch. Silly old Gordon fell in a ditch, all on a Monday morning.
Late that night, Gordon crawled home.
Stupid fucking cunt.